Keep your head up, even when the nights get long, even when the hurt cut deep and you feel not strong. Life gives scars, but it also gives dawn. And every new sunrise mean you still carry on. Me know a youth was starting business with fear. Put every saving in the shop, try secure in place. Friend turn thief and rob him clean in the night. Him have to start from zero, still him choose to fight. Now him rebuild slowly, learning from the pain. Cause sometimes loss is just wisdom in disguise again. Keep your head up, Jah put breath in you still. Even with the trauma, even when life get chill. You survive what tried to break you, not alone show skill.